Hi everyone, I'm Danielle and I'm the mum behind Our Rare Life, advocating for rare diseases. And one of the main questions that I get a lot is, what is PPA2? So I thought I would jump on and create this quick video and try to explain the rare disease that is PPA2. PPA2 stands for polyphosphate 2, and it's a gene that plays a crucial role in our body's cellular functions and enabling them to produce energy. PPA2 genes are mostly found within our heart. They can be also found in our brain and in our kidney and our livers. Mutations of this gene can lead to rare and serious health conditions such as heart failure, arrhythmias, cardiomyopathies, acidosis, cardiac arrest, and it's also been linked to some neurological complications. The PPA2 gene mutation was first identified back in 2016 with the Harry Perkins Institute here in Perth, WA, of all places in the world. And it was following a Scottish family's search for answers after they lost their son. The last published paper in 2021 identified that there were 6 known cases living worldwide with this condition. Most cases of PPA2 die in infancy or within the first 2 years of life, and sadly are diagnosed postmortem. The virus affects the mitochondrial cells within the heart from producing energy, and then that in turn affects the heart's ability to function and affects it in a multitude of ways. As it is a mitochondrial condition, the condition can pass through cells and affect all areas of the body, including neurologically. However, more research is needed to understand the extent of how this affects the body. There is currently no cure or treatments for this condition, and patients are symptomatically treated as issues within the body arise. Most living patients with this condition have an ICD device or an implantable cardiac defibrillator, and the device is a backup to support the heart in case there is an event that triggers a heart reaction. Our daughter Ailey, she had her ICD device placed at 5 months of age. Patients living with this condition mostly present as healthy, thriving, and developmentally sound. And this is where it's quite shocking as they present to emergency departments or hospitals and GPs with very mild viral symptoms and then go into heart failure or cardiac arrest. So how are Leon and I not affected by this condition? As you know, our genes naturally mutate when we are created, or else we would all be carbon copies of all of our ancestors, and that's how things have come about, such as blue eyes, brown eyes, and green eyes. And as you know, when you're created, you receive a copy of your genetics from your father and a copy from your mother. Leon and I are both carriers of a mutation within our PPA2 gene. And as we only have one mutated copy, our good working copy overrides that mutation from taking effect. When Leon and I conceived Sunny and Ailey, we have unfortunately passed on both copies of our mutation. This is also a 1 in 4 chance that we could pass on both copies of this mutation to our children. We want to spread awareness about PPA2 in the hopes to get more funded research into this rare condition and all rare conditions that families may face. It's important for families to know that they are not alone. So if you or someone you know is affected by PPA2, a genetic heart condition, or any kind of rare condition, please reach out. No one should have to face this journey alone. Knowledge is power, and sharing our journey may help another family, but it also creates connection within our community. There is a link in my bio if you want to read up more on PPA2.